Hi cuties. I don't know what I should call you guys, TBH. It actually hasn't snowed like at all since I moved to New York, but at least it isn't stinky because all the trash is frozen. This is what I do to bundle up and still feel cute and fashionable, because if I don't feel my best 24/7, this city will eat me alive. Did you guys forget about the series I was doing on personal growth? Because I sure didn't. It's not that there's not more footage, guys. There is. Before we do outfits, I'm going to talk about today's sponsor and also attempt putting on a little bit of makeup. I've been kind of in the makeup mood recently, but all of my makeup is so old. I just can never convince myself to invest in makeup because I know I like don't wear it. Okay, so today's sponsor is Dossier. Who guessed it? I did. So if you don't know what Dossier is already, I've done a lot of sponsorships with them on my channel. They're one of my longest sponsors, and they make high quality luxury inspired perfumes and colognes, of course. They have masculine, feminine, and gender neutral scent categories so that you can kind of like get a good gauge on, you know, the gender vibe it's gonna give off. So on the website, they'll tell you exactly the perfume that your scent is inspired by. So like you could go into Sephora, for example, smell all the scents. And then if you can't necessarily afford one of those more luxury perfumes, Dossier might have it, and you can get the same scent from them for a lot less. This one is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue for Women. Also, if you don't want to support Dolce & Gabbana, I'm gonna spray this one on me. Fresh. I like this one. I feel like I need to look over here. Hey guys. I keep like making the mistake of just like putting on too much of this stuff, so I'm gonna try not doing that today. I love giving these to my friends because like obviously I have a lot of them because I do these sponsorships so often. And this one is actually specifically for one of my friends, so I'm gonna sniff it anyway. Sorry, Annabelle. This is floral aldehydes. This is inspired by Chanel number 5. Oof, it does smell really good. I would say that's pretty dead on. Thumbs up for that one. Okay, I've really got to catch up in the makeup department a little bit. Literally, this is what all of my makeup is doing. Like, I probably definitely need to throw this highlighter out, but I wear Dossier perfumes whenever I'm going out. So, yeah, I actually do wear them. Like, I actually do love them. And there are so many options, so. You're like, Iris, I came here for outfits and I'm watching you do your makeup and talk about perfume. I'm sorry, okay? This is my personal blog. I don't know what you want me to say. I guess I do feel kind of pretty, guys. Thank you, Dossier, for sponsoring yet another one of my YouTube videos. Never to be forgotten, honestly. Never gonna forget this. And let's get into some outfit advice. Okay, so my base layer consists of some wool blend socks and some workout leggings I've had since like maybe like 9th grade, I don't know. A tank top because I like to make sure that like I can take off layers if I'm inside and I get too hot. And then I wear a kind of baggy pair of pants. These are jeans from Liquid Lagoon that I just got and I'm obsessed with them. And my go-to right now has also been this plain black turtleneck. Here I'm showing you the frog that's on the fly of these pants. I'm also wearing these like fingerless gloves. I like these because I like having full dexterity, and these are like, they cover my whole wrist and they do a pretty good job of like keeping me warm. And then I'll follow that up with a second like quarter zip turtleneck, and my layers are relatively thin, but I have enough of them that like I'm really warm, and also the turtlenecks are just warm. So yeah, and I have this with my leather jacket, and for some extra warmth, optionally a scarf. And you're probably thinking like, Iris, this isn't like such a super warm outfit with the leather jacket. And it's like, yeah, just replace it with whatever winter jacket you have if this is too cold. But for me right now in New York, this is probably about perfect for the current temperature. And I also really like wearing my headphones as like earmuffs. I'm showing you a second option now with my black like dress pants, and the combo of these pants with the leggings feels just like sweatpants, honestly. And I'm also adding on my quarter zip fleece on top of those 3 layers I already have going on, and it's super warm. If you don't have a fleece, it's definitely a really good way to add some warmth. and a rain jacket. Another option is to wear a like face mask on your face, and it will just keep you warm when you're outside, like a fabric face mask. And I think it's really good to have jackets that have sort of like a windbreaker capability, because that really, I don't know, personally, like that's super important because that always keeps me warm. And once again, headphones as little earmuffs, 2-in-1, entertainment and warmth. And those are kind of like the outfit blueprints I have been wearing. So yes, I hope you enjoy this video. Check out Dossier if you haven't already. Link is in my description. Yeah, if you enjoy this video, please leave a comment with this emoji. And I will see you in the next one.
But you're not, no, I should go before you. Get me caught in your rope, in my hope I see you.